Welcome to Green Earth. Today, we're uncovering a silent threat high above our planet. The depletion of the ozone layer. Why is this protective shield disappearing? And how does it endanger life on Earth? Let's find out. The ozone layer is a part of the stratosphere that contains a high concentration of ozone molecules, chemically represented as acting like Earth's sunscreen. It absorbs most of the sun's dangerous UVB radiation. Without this essential protective barrier, life on land and in the oceans would face severe consequences. It is the silent guardian that has allowed complex life to evolve and thrive on the surface of our world, making it a critical component of our planet's atmospheric system. The main culprit behind ozone depletion is a group of human-made chemicals called CFCs. For decades, these substances were widely used in everyday products, such as refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays. Because of their stability, they don't break down in the lower atmosphere. Instead, these chemicals rise slowly but surely into the stratosphere. Once there, they are exposed to intense ultraviolet radiation, which causes them to break apart and release chlorine atoms. These chlorine atoms are incredibly destructive. A single one can destroy thousands of ozone molecules, creating a thinning of the protective layer, a phenomenon commonly called the ozone hole. Since the 1980s, scientists have observed a growing ozone hole above Antarctica. This dramatic thinning is not a permanent hole, but rather a seasonal depletion that appears each year. Every year, it expands during the southern hemisphere's spring, when sunlight returns to the polar region and catalyzes the chemical reactions that destroy ozone. The discovery of this hole was a wake-up call for the entire world, providing undeniable evidence of humanity's impact on a global scale. When the ozone layer thins, more of the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays reach the Earth's surface. This increased exposure has profound effects on human health. It significantly increases the risk of developing skin cancer, including the more dangerous melanoma. It also leads to a higher incidence of cataracts, a clouding of the eye's lens that can cause blindness, and it can weaken our immune system, making us more vulnerable to infectious diseases. But the danger doesn't stop with us. UV radiation also harms plants, disrupting the process of photosynthesis, which can reduce crop yields and damage forests. It also affects the very foundation of our ocean food chains. Marine ecosystems are particularly at risk. Phytoplankton, the ocean's tiny plants that form the base of most marine food webs, are highly sensitive to increased UV levels. Damage to these microscopic organisms disrupts the entire food chain, affecting everything from small fish to large marine mammals. Furthermore, because phytoplankton absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, their decline also affects the global climate. The good news is that this story is also one of hope and successful global action. Recognizing the severe threat, the world responded with unprecedented cooperation. In 1987, countries from around the globe came together to sign the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. This landmark international treaty initiated the phasing out and eventual banning of most CFCs and other ozone-depleting substances. Today, innovative alternative chemicals and green technologies have replaced the harmful CFCs in most applications. As a direct result of this decisive action, scientists now report clear signs of recovery. The ozone layer is slowly healing. This remarkable turnaround is a powerful reminder that global cooperation can solve environmental crises and protect our planet. Every small action, when multiplied by millions, contributes to this success. From supporting international agreements and enforcing regulations to individuals using eco-friendly products and supporting policies that reduce ozone-depleting chemicals, we have demonstrated our capacity for positive change. The healing of the ozone layer stands as a beacon of what we can achieve when we work together for a common cause. Even as individuals, we can continue to make a difference and ensure this healing process continues. You can contribute by making conscious choices. Avoid products containing CFCs or other ozone-depleting substances, although many are now banned. When purchasing new appliances like refrigerators or air conditioners, choose models that are energy efficient and use eco-friendly refrigerants. You can also help by raising awareness among your friends and family about the importance of protecting the ozone layer. Protecting the ozone layer is fundamentally about protecting life itself. The ozone layer may be invisible, but its importance is undeniable. It is a fragile shield that we took for granted for too long. but it is also a testament to our ability to mend the damage we've caused. Together, we can ensure it fully heals and continues to shield life on Earth for generations to come. Remember, a healthy planet starts with awareness and action from each and every one of us. Thanks for watching Green Earth VN. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us in protecting our planet. See you in the next video.